Welcome back to my backyard snack yard on a beautiful April day here in Dorset, England. All the flowers are blooming and looking so stunning. But today I of course want to look at something full of fruit, and that is, surprisingly, my Asian pear tree. This one is called Chojuro. I planted it back in 2024, so it's only been here for 2 years. I have heard that Asian pear trees are quite good at setting fruit early and producing early, but my other Asian pear tree has been in ground for about 5 years and has never actually managed to set any fruit at all, even though it flowers every year. But this one does have very interesting little fruitlets there, little embryo fruits. Embryo Asian pears, I am hoping. This is the first year it's flowered, and also the first year I've had any fruit set, so I am super excited to see this. I hope a few of them develop. It's been really windy and quite cold actually, so I'm just thinking I might need to make sure this one stays hydrated, because even if we get some rainfall, it doesn't always give them adequate water. And even though he's in ground, I want to make sure he doesn't dry out. But look how beautiful! It's so exciting. I might get my first Asian pears. I've heard that these Chojuro ones are really quite on the small side of Asian pears, but they're really, really sweet. Some people say they're like a mixture of cotton candy and bubble gum, and other people say they're like a butterscotch fruit. So either way, it sounds really sweet and sounds so good. So I really, really hope we get some, and I really hope it's not mislabeled. But it does look like it's, you know, the blossom here looks like it's pear, so that's positive. And I wouldn't normally be worried about mislabeled trees. It's just that I've had so many that have been mislabeled that you kind of start being wary. But at least we'll know for sure this year what it might be or what it is. The proof will be in the fruit. But either way, it'll be some fruit, hopefully. Even just a few this first year would be so nice. I wouldn't say this is the sunniest spot in the garden, but I've also heard that Asian pear trees are okay with not super duper sunny positions, so that's really lucky. Oh, look, a bee has come. How cute that bee is. Oh, that's really good to see. Alright, well, thank you for joining me. Hopefully I'll have some fruit to show and share soon, or, you know, in a few months' time. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.